Hey everybody, just wanted to show you how my all glass air fryer works. This is the best air fryer on the market in my opinion. No Teflon, no PFAs, no BPAs, no coated fry pans, just glass and stainless steel, and it works great. I'll put a link in the description for my Amazon store. You can get this on Amazon. I got this on Amazon about a year ago, and I use it almost every day, and it does a great job air frying without any toxic chemicals or fumes leaching into your food, because it's all glass and stainless steel. Your traditional air fryers all have a Teflon coated bottom, Teflon coated pan or sides that your meat or whatever you're cooking comes into contact with, and that is not good. So there will be an Amazon link below in the description to this very air fryer or one like it. And I'll be back in a few minutes to show you what these ribs look like once they've been cooked. And there's somebody here that wants some ribs already. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait. They're not ready yet. Okay? You just hang on there. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, we're back. It's been about 5 minutes, and look at that. They are starting to look good. I can eat them now. I usually cook my meat rare. I prefer to eat my meat rare. They are looking good. This thing is doing a great job. Very simple to use. Just two knobs, temperature and timer. That's it. And they are almost done. And I gave her some turkey there, but she's just nibbling on it because obviously the ribs are better. Now everyone, eat your red meat. It is a healthy food. It is a superfood. Red meat is a superfood. It's full of nutrients, minerals, all the trace minerals, all the B vitamins, lots of healthy fat, and bioavailable, easily digestible protein. Red meat is good for you. Right? Yes. I'll be back in another minute or two once it's completely done. Alright, we're back for a few more minutes. The magic of television, right? Look at that. They are perfect. Let's see what we got on the timer. Yeah, another minute. Alright. You guys getting hungry? I know I am. I've been doing a intermittent fasting thing, so I haven't eaten in probably 18 hours. This is gonna be my first meal. There we go. Give you that nice bell, let you know your food's ready. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Look at that. I don't put sauce on it or anything. Just meat and salt. That's the only thing that's in there. The only spice I use is salt. No pepper, no onion, no garlic, none of that stuff. I want to taste the meat. I don't want to taste a bunch of spices. That's perfect. I'm about getting ready to eat it. Okay, here we go. Served and ready to be eaten. Meat and salt. By the way, this is the only salt that I use. This is the only salt I recommend. This is, in my opinion, a healthy salt from Utah. There'll be a link in the description below. Or you can probably just find this in your local Walmart or your grocery store. Everybody pretty much carries it. But if you don't have that in your local store, go to Amazon. You can buy that there, or you can buy it using my link. I would appreciate that. I'll get a few bucks commission for it. But this is the salt I would recommend. Meat and salt. A little cat hair. Where's the cat? Where does the cat go? Hey, ribs are ready. There she is. Hey, dinner is served. Come on. All right, everyone. So, enjoy your red meat. It's good for you.